Welcome to 2025, the year the world changes forever. At Hal-AI, we're not just part of the future. We're creating it with Agentic, a technology so advanced, it's redefining what's possible. Agentic isn't just AI, it's the next generation, born in 2025. Unlike anything before it, Agentic thinks, decides, and acts autonomously. It anticipates needs, solves complex problems, and adapts in real time, all while you focus on what matters. Agentic transforms industries with tailored intelligence. In groceries, it serves customers on WhatsApp, checks stock, and drives sales.
I'm glad to hear that you enjoyed the service. Your delivery is on its way and should arrive soon. If you need anything else or have any questions, just call me. Thank you very much for your purchase and see you next time.
For logistics, it tracks drivers and freight with geolocation precision. Its potential reaches further, reshaping manufacturing, healthcare, retail, finance, and beyond. Together, we can unlock solutions for tomorrow's challenges. At Hal-AI, our expertise sets us apart. As an NVIDIA Inception startup, we're part of a selected group of AI innovators, running on the greatest AI hardware developer in the world. This means Agentic isn't just smart. It's powered by unmatched technology, built to lead the future. We're also Meta business partners, providing the main communication channel in the world through WhatsApp. As partners of the greatest social network, we deliver communication, customer engagement, and AI, all in one. Agentic connects us to our audience like never before. In 2025, Agentic is changing the world. One decision, one action, one connection at a time. Hal-AI isn't just building technology. We're building the future. Join us, because the next era starts now.